Hi, I'm Alan, and I'm going to do part 2 of my half barrel above ground garden. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm using a step drill bit. And I'm marking it how deep I want the how big I want the hole. Might make it a little bit bigger. I don't know. You can use any drill bit. It doesn't have to be a step drill. Okay, my half barrel here. Now, if you want, you can draw a line. This has a crease in it I can go by. It's not really easy to see, but it does have a crease. Let me adjust the camera here. This is just for a drainage hose, so you don't collect water inside the drums. I'll make this one be a bigger. Oh, drill bit came off. Tape's not doing no good. I'm pulling the tape off. Now, I've done 3 right here. I'm going to do 2, 2, and 2. Tape doesn't do no good. It's just.
But it's just giving you a mark.
I know it. Well, I can see the size of the hose.
Okay.
That's one barrel done. We got the mow tunnels here. It's in the way. I'm going to line these up first. I know it. I want to set these up first. Yeah, I don't know if I want to run on one side or both sides. Oh. Plenty of room. How wide is it? Yeah, let me get the tape measure. Well, I'll figure that out after a while. And my next one here. Like I said, this side of the barrels that we didn't cut on has a crease in it. And I'm going to put 2 in each band here. Off the line a little bit. That crease line is hard to see. Okay. Still winter time, but we're doing our spring stuff now. Getting ready. See, we're gonna have the pavers here holding up one side of the barrel. Then we're gonna put pavers on the other side, holding the other side up. Ground's not too level though, because all the mows, which we'll have to deal with later. And these are food grade barrels. You got all this plastic mess too. I have to clean that up later. Okay, I got another battery in here. I haven't used this drill much. These are old drills. Is all of you are working? Okay. When I buy these battery products, I make sure I buy 4 or 5 backup batteries just in case. Nice, good fresh battery. Works fast. Okay, that's how I want them. And then I'm gonna put paver bricks on this side here of each one of them so they don't flip over. And you can see it's high right here on up there. This is gonna be our new garden bed, above ground garden. That way we won't have to till and dig. This was one of our garden right here. It used to be a flower bed. We turned to a garden bed, but we're gonna turn it back to a flower bed here. And this was one of our garden bed, and that one there too. That we may keep as a garden though. I like growing my lettuce over there. We have beets, green beans, carrots, lettuce. So this is what it's going to be.